Kicking things off with display size, all three deliver a massive viewing experience. But if you're chasing every millimeter of screen real estate, the Moto G Stylus edges out the Samsungs with its impressive screen-to-body ratio. Resolution-wise, the A27 and A37 offer solid Full HD+. But the Moto G Stylus takes it up a notch, promising noticeably sharper text and crisper images. Big win for detail. All rock AMOLED with smooth refresh rates. The A37 and Moto G Stylus truly shine with incredible brightness and HDR. A37 gets premium glass, in-display sensor. Moto G Stylus unique with active stylus support and water touch. Under the hood, the A27 and Moto G Stylus share the capable Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. The A37, however, rocks Samsung's own Exynos 1480. All are built on efficient 4nm architecture, promising smooth daily performance across the board. When it comes to raw processing, the A37 takes a slight lead with higher clock speeds on its performance cores. The A27 and Moto G Stylus offer very similar, robust octa-core setups for daily tasks. For graphics, the A27 and Moto G Stylus both pack the Adreno 710, a solid performer for gaming and media. The A37 goes with Samsung's Eclipse 530, a different GPU architecture that aims for strong graphical capabilities. Looking at benchmark scores, the Moto G Stylus pulls ahead, showcasing its raw power. The A27 follows closely, delivering strong numbers. Unfortunately, the A37 falls a bit behind here, suggesting it might not be the top choice for heavy users. Main camera time. All three pack a capable 50MP main sensor with OIS, but the A37 and Moto G Stylus feature larger sensors, translating to better low-light performance and detail. Where the Moto really shines is its significantly higher resolution ultra-wide, giving you much more usable wide-angle shots. The A27 and A37 include a dedicated macro lens, while the Moto opts for a more versatile ultra-wide with autofocus. For overall versatility and quality, the Moto G Stylus and A37 lead the pack. For video, all three capture sharp 4K. The A37 steps up with smoother 1080p at 60 frames per second. But the Moto G Stylus truly excels, offering even higher frame rates for super smooth action and impressive slow motion. Beyond the basics, the A37 brings enhanced nightography for stunning low-light shots. The Moto G Stylus impresses with AI-powered features like signature style and super zoom. The A27 also gets Samsung's useful object eraser. For those crucial selfies, the Motorola Moto G Stylus absolutely dominates with its much higher megapixel count, promising incredible detail. The A27 offers autofocus, a nice touch for consistent sharpness. The A37's front camera is decent, but can't quite compete with the Moto's resolution for clarity. Battery life? You're in for a treat. All three phones pack substantial batteries, ensuring you'll power through your day with ease. The Moto G Stylus just squeezes out a tiny bit more capacity, giving it a slight edge for endurance. Samsung offers great software support, ecosystem perks. Moto G Stylus truly stands out with its unique, integrated stylus features. Finally, price. A27 is budget-friendly. A37 is mid-range. Moto G Stylus is priciest, but feature-packed.